J is equal to x bar minus mu upon s. So x bar we obtained as 9.92 minus mod 9.8 upon s 2.36. Silence. Silence everyone. So 9.92 minus 9.8, 0.12 upon 2.36, 0.05. Near to 0. So here we'll also write it is near to symmetry. Thus the skewness is positive and the distribution is near to symmetry. Understood this everyone? Now look at page 212. Exercise 5, section F. Question 3. Be attentive. First of all, the distribution of marks obtained by 60 students in an examination is as follows. Find coefficient of skewness by Carl Pearson's method and state the type of skewness that we always write at the end. First condition, class lengths equal or unequal? Equal. What is the class length? 10. 0 to 10, 10 to 20, up till 50 to 60 it is 10. Second condition, highest frequency occurs twice or more. What is the highest frequency? 38. Does it occur twice? Yes. So the mode is ill-defined. First we'll mention that. Then on here, mode is ill-defined because highest frequency occurs twice. Understood this everyone? Now be attentive. Classes are given to you. Frequency is given to you. Are the class lengths equal or unequal? Equal. So still xi di FI square will obtain as it is for mean and standard deviation. But now if mode is ill-defined, then instead of mode, what will we be finding? Median. And for median we will require CF. Did you understand this everyone? Any doubts in this? So classes and FI note down. Did you all write the classes and frequencies? Shall I proceed further? Raise your hand who is still writing up till frequency. Now 0 plus 10 divided by 2, 5. Class length is 10, so keep adding 10. 5 plus 10, 15, then 25, 35, 45 and 55 are the mid values. All clear up till here? Now we'll take 25 as our assumed mean. So against that 0, before that -1, -2, below that 1, 2 and 3. Able to understand it everyone? Did everyone read up till di? Now fi di, so fi to be multiplied with di. 5 into -2 -10, 12 into -1 -12, 38 into 0 0, 38 into 1 38, 20 into 2 40, 7 into 3 21. Got it everyone? Now fi di square means fi di into di. So -10 into -2 20, -12 into -1 12, 0 into 0 0, 38 into 1 38, 40 into 2 80 and 21 into 3 63. Is everyone clear with this? Any doubts so far? Now CFI means we have to add the frequency. So 5. Then 5 plus 12, 17. 17 plus 38, 55. 55 plus 38, 93. 93 plus 20, 113. 113 plus 7, 120. Total of FI will also be 120. All up there up there? 77, is it the total of FIDI?
Yes.
And FIDI square 213. Okay, did everyone complete the workings? Now first we will find x bar in the same manner. A plus sigma fi di upon n into c. So A assumed mean is 25 plus sigma fi di we obtained 77 upon n is total of fi 120 into class length is 10. Did everyone understand this? So 25 plus, what is 77 into 10 upon 120? 6.42. So 31.42 is x bar. Now instead of mode, what do we have to obtain? Median. Now recollect it. For median continuous frequency distribution, there were 4 steps. First step, n by 2, not n plus 1. In continuous frequency distribution, step 1 was n by 2. What is n? 120, total of fi. So 120 divided by 2, 60. Do you all recollect this? Then second step, we used to write CFI just greater than equal to 60. That is 93. CFI just greater than equal to 60, that is 93. Then against 93 the class is 30 to 40. So median class will be equal to 30 to 40. Do you remember it? And then median's formula L plus n by 2 minus CFI upon fi into C. Are you all able to recollect this? Yes or no? Yes. Now L, will we take 30 or 29.5? 30. Exclusive classes, so L will be directly taken as 30 plus n by 2 from step 1. See here, n by 2's calculation from step 1 is 60. Then do you remember CFI is of preceding class. So before 93, what is the preceding class CFI? 55. FI will be of same class. So FI of same class 30 to 40 is 38. And class length of 30 to 40 is 10. All are able to recollect this? So 30 plus 60 minus 55 is 5 upon 38 into 10. So 30 plus 5 upon 38 into 10 means 1.32. So 31.32. Are you able to recollect this? Then we have to find standard deviation. Okay, instead of mode we have obtained median because mode is ill-defined. Now standard deviation's formula is same. Square root of sigma fi di square upon n minus sigma fi di upon n whole square into C. Okay. So square root of C as sigma fi di square is 213 upon n is 120 minus sigma fi di is 77 upon n is 120 whole square into class length is 10. Okay, overall class length is 10. Are you all clear with the substitution of values, everyone? Now, Harshil. 213 upon 120, 1.78 minus, don't square it directly, press 77 upon 120, I want step by step. 0.64 square into 10. 1.78 minus, now do 0.64 square. 4, 1 into 10, so 1.37 square root. Now tell me this in 4 decimals.
170.
4 into 10, so 11.704, that is 70. Did you understand this?
Yes.
Now tell me if mode is ill-defined, then what is the formula of J? 3 into x bar minus m upon s. So here we will apply that formula. that is 3 into x bar we obtained as 31.42 minus m we obtained as 31.32 upon s we obtained as 11.70. 3 into 0.1. 31.42 minus 31.32 is 0.1. So do it 3 into 0.1 upon 11.7. 0.026. That is 0.03. This is also very close to 0, so we'll conclude it is near to symmetry. We'll conclude that. Okay? So we'll mention that below. Thus, the skewness is positive and the distribution is near to symmetry. Be attentive. Illustration 2, 3, 5, 7 is your homework. 2 and 3 is like the earlier one what we did today. Mode is defined. And 5 and 7 similar to this one, mode is indefinite. In that, I just want to discuss illustration 7. Look at illustration 7. Page number 191. Illustration 7, page number 191. See that everyone has the calculator tomorrow without pen, okay? Page 191, illustration 7, everyone has taken out. Class lengths, equal or unequal? 40 to 60, 60 to 80, 80 to 100, 100, 120, 120, 140, 140, 160, 160 to 180, 180 to 200, 200 to 220, 220 to 240, equal 20. Silence. Highest frequency, 140, twice or more? Once. And third condition, highest frequency occurs in the beginning or at the end. Here it occurs at the end. So mode is indefinite. But reason you mention here mode is defined because highest frequency occurs at the end, and then similarly you will solve.